Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo, and I'm here today with the ThinkStation P300 small form factor workstation. Today we are going to be replacing the coin cell battery. This process will take about 15 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. There are no tools required, but a non-metallic pry tool might come in handy. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we are protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For further information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. Now that we're ready, let's get started. To remove the cover, we must first remove 2 thumb screws. Next, we're going to press the release button, slide the cover towards the rear of the system, and remove it. Now we're going to remove the fan duct. To do that, you just pull outward on the 2 clips and lift the fan duct straight off of the fan. So now we're going to remove the coin cell battery. First, we pull back on the clip until the battery is released, and then reach in and pull it from the system. Here we have our replacement coin cell battery. When replacing the coin cell battery, you just want to insert it into the socket at an angle, positive side up, and then press down on the battery until the clip locks it into place. Now we're going to align the fan duct with the heatsink fan assembly, and then press down until the clips lock into place. When replacing the cover, it's important that the tabs on the cover align with the notches in the chassis. You place the cover down onto the chassis, slide it towards the front of the system. Finally, we're going to replace 2 thumb screws.